60-year-old businessman charged in poker box game investigation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Clarendon police have increased efforts in targeting the illicit use and operation of poker game boxes in the division over the past week. The theft of these game boxes have increased in recent times across Clarendon and in the neighboring parishes of Clarendon and also St. Elizabeth and Manchester. In a collaborative effort, the police and the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, several operations were carried out in various locations throughout the week. This resulted in 75 game boxes seized. At one location at Cemetery Road, Denby in Clarendon, 39 game boxes were seized. This led to the arrest and charge of a 60-year-old businessman, Deverton Francis. Francis is charged with unlawful possession of property. Head of the Criminal Investigations for the Clarendon Division, Deputy Superintendent Jermaine Alglin, said that one of these boxes is valued at approximately $350,000. When stolen, one is sold for approximately $60,000 to the criminal underworld. He stated that further that each of these boxes earn an average of $6,000 daily, and added that by this calculation, the 75 boxes seized could generate at least $450,000 daily to fund criminal activities. DSP Algin and his team have vowed to stand resolute to remove the profit out of crime and bring the perpetrators to this illicit activity to justice. The investigations are ongoing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.